Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video, we're gonna be learn about how to install the React Native app with Expo and how to run that app on your mobile device. So let's get started. So now just open terminal and just check your npm version and a node version to just cross verify it's installed or not. And then just write npm install Expo. So as it's installed, so now we'll direct it to the desktop now, and then we'll write Expo init or appnet, that is rn hyphen app. So as you can see, the folder has been created. So now we'll write direct it to that rn app, so cd rn app, and then we'll write code dot to just open that product in the VS Code. So now you can see the projects. It's open in VS Code, the node modules, the app.js file. So now we'll just open a terminal by this control shift and backward key and then write npm start. And then you can see the mobile screen here, so you can check the settings that you have to on the USB debugging in your mobile. So and then plug it with the connect with the USB cable to your PC or Mac, and it's all right. And then you have to just click on the run on the Android system. So as soon as we click there, you can see it's saying that the app is building or something. So that's all for the video, guys. If you like this video, click on a like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.